Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Daily. I'm Ryan.
And I'm Clara. We are so excited to continue our series. Last time we covered the first 50 phrases for greetings and introductions, and today we are finishing our social essentials with the next 50 phrases.
That's right. As we mentioned before, real everyday conversation is built with phrases, not just single words. To help you master these, we're going to repeat each one and talk about exactly when to use them, and more importantly, when to avoid them. Let's start with saying thank you. Thanks.
Thanks. This is your quick, everyday thank you. Use it when someone holds the door or gives you a pen. Avoid using it alone in a formal business email. For that, thank you or I appreciate it is much better.
I really appreciate it.
I really appreciate it. This is warmer and shows a deeper level of gratitude. Use it when someone goes out of their way for you.
Thanks a million.
Thanks a million. Use this when someone does a huge favor for you. Avoid using it for very small things, like when someone passes the salt. It might sound like you're being sarcastic.
I owe you one.
I owe you one. This means you want to do a favor for the other person in the future. Use it with friends or close colleagues.
Avoid using it with a stranger you'll never see again, as it implies a future meeting. Category 7. Responding to thank you. Phrases 61 through 70. Next, let's see how to respond to thank you.
No problem. This is very friendly and modern. However, avoid saying no problem to an older person or a very formal boss. Some might feel it's too casual and prefer a traditional you're welcome.
No worries.
No worries. This is common and friendly. It makes the situation feel lighter and relaxed.
My pleasure.
My pleasure. This is an office-friendly phrase that communicates you are happy to help. Avoid using it in a very relaxed bro culture environment. It might sound a bit too stiff.
Don't mention it.
Don't mention it. This is a polite, humble way to say you're welcome, suggesting the favor was small.
Next, we will see phrases on apologizing and responding.
Oops, sorry. Perfect for tiny accidents like bumping into someone by accident. Avoid using this for serious mistakes at work, like missing a deadline. Use I apologize for bigger issue.
It's my fault.
It's my fault. This used to take clear responsibility. Avoid using it if you didn't actually do anything wrong. Don't apologize for everything, or people might lose respect for your boundaries.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. This is a kind way to accept an apology and show you carry no ill will. Avoid saying it with a cold or angry voice, or they won't believe you've actually forgiven them.
We're halfway through our second set. Drop a message in the comments. What is your lifesaver phrase when you're in an awkward situation? We'd love to see your favorites. Category 9. Interest and surprise. Really?
Really? Use this to show you are listening. Avoid using a skeptical tone unless you actually doubt what they're saying, as it can sound rude.
Long time no see.
Long time no see, a classic greeting for meeting a friend you haven't seen in a long time. Avoid using it for someone you just saw last week. It will just sound confusing.
Good for you.
Good for you. A sincere way to say you are happy about someone else's success. Avoid saying it with a flat voice, or it might sound like you're jealous.
Help yourself.
Help yourself. Perfect for making guests feel welcome to food or drinks. Avoid saying this if you only have one piece of cake left and you want to eat it. Once you say it, they will take it.
It was nice chatting with you.
It was nice chatting with you. This is a polite, natural way to end a conversation. Use it at parties or work events.
I actually gotta run.
I actually gotta run. This is a polite way to leave immediately. Avoid using it if you clearly have nowhere to go, or it will look like you're just avoiding the person.
Let's catch up soon.
Let's catch up soon. Use this when you genuinely want to talk again and share news. Avoid saying it if you have no intention of calling them, as it can sound insincere.
Keep in touch.
Keep in touch. Use this when you won't see someone for a while and want to stay in contact.
That completes our first 100 essential phrases. You're now ready for almost any daily social interaction.
Don't forget, consistency is the key to success. Don't try to memorize all 50 tonight. Just pick 5 to 10 phrases you liked and try using them from tomorrow.
Our next video will cover the next 50 phrases which would make you sound more fluent in any group setting. We'll look at phrases for giving opinions and agreeing or disagreeing.
Please like and subscribe to our channel, Fluent English Daily, and stay consistent in your journey towards fluency.
Take care, everyone.
Bye-bye.